Before buying shocks for your 4x4 truck, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Most of them look the same, but real buyers are experiencing some pretty frustrating differences. Let's dig into what really matters. Product number 1, Rough Country N3 rear shocks. First up, we have the Rough Country 0 to 3.5-inch N3 rear shocks for the Ford F-150, priced at $119.95. What caught my eye here is its impressive 10-stage variable valving, which really helps in adjusting the ride to your specific needs. If you want a smoother ride while off-roading, these are worth a serious look. Now, why does this matter? The 10-stage variable valving means you can adjust how stiff or soft the shocks are based on the terrain. Plus, with a nitrogen charge and military-rated fluid that works in temperatures as low as minus 50 degrees Celsius, you know these shocks are built to last. With a 36 knots tensile strength and a fast-cooling 54mm shock body, you're looking at performance that can handle the toughest trails. And don't forget, it has a solid 4.5-star rating from over 631 reviews, so people are loving it. Now, I do want to be honest here. Some users mentioned that installation can be a bit tricky if you're not mechanically inclined. But here's the thing. If you're willing to put in a little extra effort, the payoff is a vastly improved driving experience. This is perfect for you if you're an avid off-roader looking for reliability. Skip this one if you need something plug-and-play without any installation hassle. For the quality and performance, it's definitely a good value for the money. Now, if installation ease bothered you, the next option might be more straightforward. Product number 2, Airorone RC car shocks. Next, we have the Airorone 1/10 RC car shocks for just $26.98. I know what you're thinking. Why are we talking about RC car shocks? But if you're into off-roading in a smaller scale, these can be a game changer. If you want to enhance your RC truck's performance, this is worth a serious look. These shocks come pre-oiled, which means you won't have to worry about that annoying oil leakage right out of the box. The big bore design is specifically made for tough terrain, so it can tackle bumps and jumps without losing stability. Plus, the adjustable feature lets you tweak the spring force based on your vehicle's weight and the road condition, which is super handy. With a solid 4.3-star rating from 503 reviewers, it's clearly making waves. Now, a downside I noticed was that they're designed specifically for certain models, so make sure it fits your RC truck. If you're not using one of those models, this won't work for you. But if you are, the adjustment options make it worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you love taking your RC off-road and need reliable shocks. Skip this one if you have a different RC model that isn't compatible. For the price, it's a fantastic investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those with full-size trucks. Product number 3, OCPTY front rear shocks. Now let's look at the OCPTY front rear shocks, priced at $59.99. This one caught my attention because it's compatible with a range of Chevy and GMC models. If you want a reliable shock solution without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. These shocks are designed for a smooth ride, especially for 4WD vehicles. They feature seamless drawn-over mandrel tubing to reduce splitting, which is crucial for maintaining consistent performance. The high-strength welding minimizes oil leakage and keeps your ride quiet and comfortable, which is exactly what you want on long drives. They carry a solid 4.5-star rating from 190 reviews, indicating good customer satisfaction. However, some users did report issues with fitment on certain models, which can be a hassle. But here's the thing. If you double-check your vehicle's compatibility before buying, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker. This is perfect for you if you have a Chevy or GMC truck and want an affordable shock upgrade. Skip this one if you're looking for high-performance racing shocks. For the price and performance, it's a great deal. Now, if you're looking for something more premium, the next option might catch your eye. Product number 4, OCPTY shock absorbers. Next up, we have another set from OCPTY, designed for Chevy Avalanche and Suburban models, priced at $69.99. The reason I'm highlighting these is that they're specifically designed to improve ride comfort, exactly what we need on rough roads. If you want to feel more stable on the highway or off-road, this is worth a serious look. These shock absorbers are built to enhance stability during cornering and high-speed driving, which is critical for safety. They utilize high-strength materials to ensure durability, and the accurate positioning of installation holes makes it easy to install without modifications, something that can save you a lot of frustration. With a 4.3-star rating from 336 reviews, many users are finding them effective. But there's a small catch. Some people found that they arrived in 2 packages instead of 1, which can be a bit annoying if you're expecting everything at once. However, if you can deal with that, the performance is really solid. This is perfect for you if you want a smoother, safer ride in your Chevy truck. Skip this one if you're not driving one of the compatible models. For the quality and ease of installation, it's worth considering. Now, if you want something that's more rugged and built for serious off-roading, the last product is definitely worth checking out. Product number 5, Rancho RS 5000X Shocks. Finally, let's talk about the Rancho RS 5000X gas shocks, priced at $259.99. These are specifically designed for 1999 to 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 1500s, and they really caught my attention because of their reputation for performance. If you want top-notch handling and comfort on your truck, this is worth a serious look. The RS 5000X shocks provide a noticeable improvement in ride quality, thanks to their advanced gas design that helps in reducing bounce and sway. They come with all necessary installation hardware, so you won't have to hunt for parts. Plus, Rancho backs these with a limited lifetime warranty, which really speaks to their confidence in quality. With a 4.4-star rating from 171 reviews, they've got a solid track record. However, some users mentioned that they might be overkill if you mainly use your truck for light driving. If you're just cruising around town, you might not need such specialized shocks. But if you do any off-roading, you'll definitely appreciate the performance. This is perfect for you if you're serious about off-roading and need a heavy-duty shock upgrade. Skip this one if your truck is primarily for city driving. For the quality and durability, it's certainly worth the investment. So there you have it, 5 great shock options for your 4x4 truck. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly choices like the OCPTY shocks or premium performance with the Rancho RS 5000X, there's something for everyone. Pick based on your specific needs, and you'll be sure to enhance your ride.